Okay, so quick catch up on the meal replacement product that I tried yesterday. You can see the main video there, the main vanilla one. Just to say, in terms of making me feel full and satisfied, it did the job. I wasn't hungry until sort of way into the evening, so they certainly fill you up. Today we are trying the Satislent. It's called Satislent. Basically, it's the version with caffeine in it, so it contains 70 milligrams of caffeine per 100 grams. So this is 160 grams, so that's roughly, quick calculation in my head, about 100 milligrams of caffeine in here. An espresso, standard espresso will probably have about 200. So it's like a half an espresso, I'd say, of worth of caffeine in here. Anyway, we're going to give it a go, see what it tastes like. It's got that lovely sort of toasted cornmeal smell. That's really strong here because there's no other kind of flavouring in it. Can't really smell the caffeine or whatever, so it'll be interesting to see. So this is my breakfast for today, hence the caffeine element, called Satislent. Let's give it a go. Okay, so it's just a standard mixture with no flavouring other than a hint of caffeine. There's a certain slight sweetness to it, which is nice, but there's no real strong flavour in this. Still getting that smell of, as I say, freshly cooked cookies that comes from the toasted cornmeal. And the caffeine's not too overpowering in its taste or anything. This is sort of a nice, sort of slightly, it's like a sort of a liquid biscuit, if that makes sense. Because of the smell of the toasted corn liquid biscuit, I've just invented something. But it's got that smell of sort of biscuits, freshly cooked biscuits, and a slight sweetness to it, but not an overpowering sweetness. So if you don't like super sweet things, find the vanilla a bit sickly. A little, yeah, I'm getting the hint of the caffeine there. This is quite nice. I'm thinking I may actually prefer this one over the vanilla one generally. So it'll be interesting to see, because the smell of the toasted cornmeal is quite, it's quite strong and a nice pleasant smell. I mean, not horribly strong, but it gives you that hint and memories of, as I say, cooked biscuits and stuff and cookies. So it'll be interesting to see what the other flavours are like. So anyway, we'll soon find out. So that's the Satislent, the caffeine flavoured version of Satislent, and yeah, I'm liking that one. Thumbs up to that one. So we're trying the coconut today. That's nice. Again, you slight sort of biscuit flavour that I've talked about before because of the toasted cornmeal, the Caffeine, whatever it is, but a nice flavouring with coconut there. So it's a bit like having one of those sort of coconut biscuits, or a biscuit flavoured with coconut, but in a liquid form. That's nice. I'm liking this one. Yeah, not bad. I can see myself adding that to the sort of various variety and selection and mix of the Satislent drinks over the week. Anyway, we'll try another flavour tomorrow. Okay, hi, there's another day, another Satislent flavour, and today we're going to go for lemon. I feel like lemon, so a bit of the old Mediterranean flavour. So, there's the rules, 500 ml of the water. Yeah, it's like a lemon drizzle cake because of the biscuity smell. I know I always mention about the biscuity smell, but because of the sort of biscuity smell, it's like a lemon biscuit. So you've got that toasted sort of, that slight sort of cooked biscuit smell from the toasted cornmeal, the Caffeine, with that hint of lemon. So it's like a lemony sort of drizzle cake or a lemon cake or lemony biscuit, I guess. Anyway, nice smell. Let's see what it tastes like. So it's quite, yeah, it's quite refreshing, nice sort of lemony taste to it again, and the lemon's not too strong. But again, what can I say? Another good flavour variation, really. I quite like that. I think if you get bored of having the same flavours every day, there's a good, all the flavours so far, still got a few more to test, but all the flavours so far have been pretty impressive, so I'd be quite happy to sort of mix them up a bit and have different flavours throughout the day. But tomorrow we'll try a different one, but so far the lemon one hits the mark again. 2 in one day today, and today we're trying the latte one. You'll see the little label there, it's latte on the end. I don't think there's any coffee or caffeine in this, but it's just latte flavour. I hope I like this because I've got a massive bag of it. So again, I know I'm repeating myself, and you know what I'm probably going to say, but this, in fact I won't say it, but the same smell as all the others. There's not really much of a coffee smell, but it's a latte flavour rather than a caffeine based drink. But yeah, nice smell. A sort of hint of latte, but very nice. I'm liking these flavours. It's not a strong, I don't know what latte flavour is meant to be like other than coffee. So it's sort of a hint of coffee to it, but very subtle. Again, I'm going to say it, it's a liquid biscuit. Very nice. I'm enjoying Satislent and their variety of flavours, as you can probably guess, because I'm positive about most of the flavours I've tried so far. Try another one tomorrow, and we'll see if they can keep up their 100% record of me quite liking their flavours. Cheers. Strawberry today, just before I go to work, so I'm having it for breakfast. See what it tastes like, that's why I'm in a bit of a hurry. Yeah, you can definitely smell the strawberry in that one. With all these things, they always have that slightly sort of artificial strawberry smell that you can sort of, like some sort of sweet or candy. Again, yes, the biscuity smell is there as well. I'm curious of whether, because strawberry can be quite sweet sometimes. Right, blitz it. Here we go. Yeah, definite strawberry flavour. Not overpowering or sweet. Strawberry's never my favourite, but it's not a sweet strawberry taste or a sickly sweet strawberry taste. Yeah, no, that's a good one. It's not my favourite of all the ones I've had, but the good thing is, because I've got a whole giant bag of the strawberry, is that I quite like it, and it's not too sort of sickly sweet, so there's not too much sweetener in there with the added strawberry or whatever. It's quite a nice strawberry taste, so yeah, that's a good one, that's fine. Okay, final of the flavours today, and it's a Choco flavour, so let's give that a go. Again, I can't really smell this in this initial stage, a strong Choco flavour. I'm not a great fan of the chocolate flavoured meal replacements, but because this has got that biscuit taste I keep banging on about, this might be quite interesting. So who doesn't like a chocolate biscuit? Yeah, I can start to begin to smell the sort of Choco flavour now. You can see it's got a bright sort of chocolatey colouring there. Here goes. But again, the great thing about Satislent is that none of the flavours are overpowering. So if anything, you always get that slight sort of biscuity flavour, but each one with a hint of whatever flavour you've got. So like a hint of the lemon or the hint of the coconut. And again, because they don't make it, they're not sickly sweet, there's not too much sweetener in here, there's not that sort of sickly sweet taste that you sometimes get with the chocolate ones. Yeah, this is really nice. It's a nice subtle hint of chocolate to the overall taste. I'm liking that. That's very nice. So that's all the flavours that I've tested. So so far pretty good. In summary, I've been trying this now, sort of I've had at least one a day for the last few days, sometimes 2 a day. I find that they fill me up, no problem. I find that they're tasty, easy to drink. I like the variety of flavours. I especially like the coconut one, and the latte one was nice as well. And I liked all the flavours. Strawberry is probably the least one, but I'm not a massive fan of sort of strawberry flavoured shakes and things like that. But even that was, quite nice. The overarching sort of texture and smell, the overarching smell is that kind of lovely toasted cornmeal that I keep mentioning every time I taste it. But I think it makes it taste really nice. There is something very similar to the Soylent in the fact that the unflavoured Soylent has a slight biscuity smell, biscuity taste to it. I'm very impressed with Satislent, as I say. It's filled me up and it seems to have worked on the sort of last week or so since I've been trying it, and I love the variety of flavours. If you stuck with one flavour you get sick of it, I don't know, but the beauty is the variety of flavours. You can mix it up a bit. So there you go, Satislent. Check it out at the website below. I hope you enjoyed this video on the flavours and everything. Please like, subscribe, comment below. I try to read all the comments, try to get back to any questions people have, and thanks for watching.